NASA sends Parker probe to see Nibiru, Planet X, to receive accurate data of its monstrosity. Classified information. Subscribe to the channel. Herculeus. Nibiru, Planet X, the planet that approaches the perihelion with the Earth. History and explanation about Herculeus. There are many prophecies that refer to the end of our civilization. The vast majority of these predictions warn us of major catastrophes on Earth, such as an imminent change in our planet's axis, the consequent melting of the poles and the disappearance of large regions of land. Many of these prophecies have something in common. They speak specifically of the approach of a star that periodically approaches the Earth. This planet is called in different ways: Herculeus, Bal, Wormwood, Cold Planet, etc. Planet Herculeus, so called by the sages of antiquity, is a gigantic world, 5 or 6 times bigger than Jupiter, which in the past put an end to Atlantean civilization and is approaching Earth again. The approach of this star to our solar system is a fact that will happen soon, that the whole world will see, and will bring as a consequence great upheavals in all corners of our planet. Thus, in the coming and going of life, everything returns to its beginning or to its end. It has already happened that in its previous approach where Herculeus put an end to Atlantean civilization. These facts, well known by all those beings who in the course of history enjoyed awakened consciousness, were duly narrated through all the universal floods of different religions and cultures. On your current visit, the progressive approach of Herculeus will cause all kinds of volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tidal waves, which will happen with increasing frequency and intensity and will end in total devastation. When Herculeus passes close to the Earth, its gigantic force of gravitational attraction will attract the molten magma to the Earth's surface, and the earthquakes, tidal waves, volcanic eruptions, etc., which will reach magnitudes never known before, will increase extraordinarily in number and intensity. The approach of Herculeus is a fact that will bring profound changes to our planet. In celestial mechanics, Herculeus will help to verticalize the poles. He is a part of a great machine. The approach of this star is at the door, and more is known about this threat from the cosmos than is said. From time to time, news related to this topic appears in the media. Science has advanced detection systems, and it is often said that the risk of a danger from space is great. All these data and more give food for thought to a society that contemplates the news with amazement. And the old prophecies that already warned about this danger come to mind. As Nibiru, Planet X, gets closer to Earth, as it sets next to the Sun, deadly epidemics will begin to spread across the planet, and doctors or official science will not know what kind of diseases they were and with what that heal. Hands in the air surrendered to epidemics. Sustaining what I say in this video because I am sure of what I say, because I have been investigating deeply with my astral body, which is what allows me to realize everything in detail. Subscribe to the channel. Only those people who demonstrate a spiritual transformation with facts can be helped by the matrix of the universe. We have the information that NASA has been studying the mysterious planet Nibiru, Planet X, in secret for decades, using all technological devices and space probes like Hubble, Parker probe, Voyagers, and James Webb. This is completely real, not speculation. They don't want to generate panic, but NASA, CIA and Pentagon know about its existence and its approach, where it already starts affecting other planets and even the Earth with its climate change. They know when Nibiru will reach perihelion with the Earth, so the multimillionaires are selling all their possessions and moving away from humanity. This is no joke, believe me. According to a group of astronomers, the Sun's gravitational field would have captured Planet X, which is located on the outskirts of the solar system, pulling it out of its star system ruled by a small brown dwarf star. A group of leading astronomers from Sweden and France carried out a large-scale study whose results indicate that the Sun's gravitational field has captured an extrasolar planet from another solar system. Scientists believe that the celestial body, called Planet X or Nibiru, could not have formed in our solar system at all. Importantly, Planet X, Nibiru, has rotated at a great distance from its parent star, the famous brown dwarf called Nemesis. Most importantly, Planet X is characterized by an orbital trajectory that has no place in the dynamic configuration of our solar system, which suggests that periodically Planet X approaches the Sun, attracted by the strong gravitational field, then inserting between Mars and Jupiter and disturbing in apart all the inner planets of the solar system, including Earth. This gigantic star does not respect the laws of physics. Hence the great difficulty in obtaining information. Only NASA, the US government, Russia and China have concrete data on what is coming. Much of the knowledge we possess is spiritual, as some like us can interact energetically and frequently with the magnetism of Nibiru. This is the year of world truth, about Nibiru, Planet X, and also about spiritual beings that are not part of our world will be presented soon. Prepare yourself spiritually to withstand the shock of paradigms. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to receive new videos.